Evening, everybody. It's Triple Diamond Executive Elizabeth Houlihan here lakeside with a roaring fire going and a lesson in the fireplace. So let's talk about building your month and how do you get a roaring fire like this by the end of the month. Because right now I'm making this video. We've got a couple days at the end of the month and some people are going, oh, and they're kind of like, oh my gosh, I got to get the end of the month. And really, your month starts the last few days of the prior month. And how you do that is you get your prospects, and they're kind of like the little pieces of wood underneath. So I don't know if you can see this or not, but there's a lot of little tiny pieces of wood in this fire, like brush, like leaves and things like that. And that's really getting loyal customers, booking your parties, and that's like the kindling to build your fire. And that really needs to happen the month prior to or the first week of the month. Now, when that fire gets started, it's a heck of a lot easier when you have that little kindling to be able to put a little bit larger piece of wood on. Not the big ones that you see on top here, but some of the larger pieces. And those larger pieces are going to be things like telling somebody that, let's get started as a DT. We're going to make sure that you get Fast Start qualified so that you get your $99 Fast Start bonus on all the people you're bringing in for the rest of the month. And working with that person to help build them to an executive or Ruby. And that really happens when we have that kindling underneath so that we can create the momentum. And then that usually happens sometime between the second and the third week of the month. And then you have a much bigger fire and you could put the big logs on top. And that's when you are really helping people get into position. You're breaking rubies, you're breaking emeralds, and that's because of all the kindling and the small wood underneath got started early in the month. So the lesson here, Fireside tonight, guys, is start your month a couple days prior to the end of the month to start making sure that you have your kindling started going into day one of the following month. If you wait to the middle of the month or the end of the month to get momentum going, you're going to end up with a fire that goes out very quickly. So do it right the first time and build with kindling at the bottom, smaller pieces of wood on top of that, and then when it's roaring, you can put these big logs on. Hope you enjoyed the fire tonight, and I hope you enjoyed the fireside chat. Have a great evening, everyone.